In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to translate your videos into different languages using HeyGen for free. This is an incredibly powerful feature for creators, businesses, educators, and anyone who wants their content to reach people around the world. Imagine creating a video once and then being able to share it with audiences who speak Spanish, Arabic, French, Chinese, or many other languages without having to record the video again. With HeyGen's video translation and voice cloning technology, your original voice and lip movements can even be synchronized with the translated language, making it look natural and professional. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process, step by step. So let's get started. First, go to the HeyGen website and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can quickly sign up using your email or a Google account. Once you log in, you'll be taken to the dashboard, which is the main workspace where all your video projects are managed. Here, you'll find a variety of tools designed to help you create, edit, and enhance videos using AI. On the dashboard, look for the Translate feature. This option is specifically designed to help you convert your existing videos into different languages quickly and easily. Once you find it, click on the Translate option to begin the translation process. This will open the translation workspace where you can upload your video and choose the languages you want to translate it into. Next, click on the Upload Video button. After clicking it, select the video file you want to translate from your computer and upload it to the platform. This will be the original video that the AI will analyze and translate into other languages. You also have another option. You can upload a video using a URL, such as a YouTube video link. Simply paste the link, and the system will import the video for you automatically. Once the video is uploaded, you can trim the video duration if needed. This is useful if you only want to translate a specific part of the video instead of the entire clip. Just select the section you want, and the tool will process only that portion. Before moving to the next step, make sure that your video has clear and audible speech. After uploading the video, the next step is to select the original language spoken in your video. You'll see a language selection option where you can choose the language that is being spoken in your video, such as English, Spanish, French, Arabic, or others. Selecting the correct original language is very important because it helps the system understand the speech more accurately. Now choose the language you want to translate the video into. HeyGen supports many languages, such as Spanish, French, German, Arabic, and many more. After that, select the target language for your video. You can also choose your brand glossary to maintain consistent terminology. Additionally, you have the option to enable or disable several features, such as dynamic duration, lip sync, remove background sound, video captions, and voice enhancement. Finally, you can also add or upload a transcription to ensure the translation is accurate and aligned with the original content. One of the best features is lip sync translation. When you enable this option, the avatar's mouth movements automatically match the translated voice. This synchronization makes the video look more natural and realistic, as if the avatar is actually speaking the selected language. Once everything is set up, simply click the Translate button. HeyGen will process your video and generate a fully translated version in the language you selected, preserving the original timing, lip sync, and any enabled enhancements. After the translation process is complete, preview your video to make sure everything looks perfect. If you're satisfied with the results, you can download the video or share it directly to your social media platforms, making it easy to reach your audience in multiple languages.
ثالثاً، فأرة ريدراجون M7 وخزن كوبرا بدقة 10,000 dpi
And that's how you translate videos using HeyGen. This powerful feature is perfect for reaching international audiences and expanding your content globally. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tips. And see you in the next video.